when people don't really know the pattern that well, some people will come in. You typically get somebody fresh out of college. They come in, they look at the code, and they're like, why do I have the same code in every place? And they push it up to the superclass, and the whole thing falls apart. That's one big danger of this, is that can happen a lot. The bigger problem is this guy right here. What happens when you change your class hierarchy? Got to add a new method, right? So we add a new method to this. What happens to all the implementers? They need to implement it. They break. Now think about this for a minute. Let's say that you're writing a library, and this is a really popular library for, I don't know, it's doing code generation or something. And it has this tree walking type stuff where we want to pass this visitor to different parts that you're going to generate code for. And later on you decide to add a new node type. Now you've got 3,000 people using this library. Guess what your inbox looks like the day after you add a new method to this? People are going to hate you. This is your API. And this is what's called a very, very fragile API, because anytime you want to change the structure of your nodes, just adding a new node kills the API. It completely breaks any of your users. That's not good. That's a really, really bad thing. Right. I mean, we can use an adapter. The problem you get, though, is that as you do things over time, you end up getting all these different versions of the adapter, and you could have all these different versions of the interface, and it's really a pain to maintain.